We do have controls here, and I'll show you the main control on the other side. Main control. Woo, that's loud. We do have the main control here. Temperature up, temperature down, obviously. I'm going to put it down to 90. Pump, hit it once. The jets start going, well, without air. Hit it again. Then you have air going through the jets. This blower button doesn't really do much. Just sounds like it does, but it doesn't. And all quiet, just push that button there. You have a light. This supposedly adjusts the amount of air coming in, as well as this. This won't be touching this. Each side has its own kind of jet increase, decrease.